Hey, welcome back. We're gonna do some wheels. This part of the paint process is done. Which, if I think about it, I will tie it in at some point so you guys can actually see me doing a little bit of painting. I'm gonna move this a little bit. Good day. There. Like, I can just zoom it out a little bit. Let's build some wheels. Looks like the front ones are going to be, pretty straightforward. Some good foams. I got some pretty solid foam. Definitely scale tread pattern. Of course, center ring. SP Road Trackers. I like how it's got all the information on it. Make sure that's in there nice. Now we'll go ahead and do one front wheel real quick, and then we'll do one of the dually rear wheels here, and then I'll do the other one off camera, because we'll see. Maybe I'll do. What's up, y'all? Like, I'm gonna throw this as an interjection into when I'm building the wheels, but look, this is the stuff that I use. It seems to be the best. Like, I don't know, it might, like, it worked great on the last one, so we're gonna use it on this one. Yep. I think we'll be alright. That's number 1 coat, so we're going to stop it, and I'll probably put in B coat somewhere in the reel of building the tires, so. Got crickets jumping everywhere. Now, I waited till evening to give some moisture, because if you'll notice, other than cricket jumping on it, getting stuck, and losing a lamb over there. That is done. Sorry for you, cricket. But what's going to happen, it's going to give me a natural weathered look, and I'm not going to have to do anything. In theory, it should look kind of pitted. See? Should give me a really nice texture look. Something like it's been through the sand without me having to put a bunch of extra work into the wheels themselves. But caught me a cricket. Come on, Jiminy. Get out the way. Get out the way, Jiminy. Come on, you're gonna die. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the board and the crickets in the house. We'll see how many stay on as we go. Jump away, crickets. So, all these rims. Now, bring them in the house, and we let them dry. So, there you go. B-roll finished. Later, y'all. Do them all on camera. See how long it takes. Okay. Now, I see what it says, the wheel back piece here, and it gives you two options up here. It gives you a deep dish option down here, where you can run your front deep dish, but this is a standard setup, and this is what we're going to go with on the front wheel. That's it. It'll come out pretty good. Oh, but the speck of dirt in there before I even build it. And see, I've already taken everything apart. So, we'll get some stuff out here. Just massage that rubber in there. Man, that's gonna look so cool, y'all. Definitely gonna match. Now let's make sure I'm gonna squeeze it down a little bit just to make sure that I got my holes, all my holes lined up. You can see it starting to cinch down there. So start checking our bead. Now this is where I'm checking to make sure that my holes are going to line up before I go tightening everything down. And they are not. See how that is? See how you can't? It ain't even. So just back these out. I didn't press down hard enough, y'all. See, just double checking before I go tightening everything. See, that one, gotta make sure that bead sits in there good. You don't need that. So far so good. They do have a little flat spot in them, don't they? Have to run them. And I'm noticing now that I should have painted the other side of what rims I was going to use for the dually, which I might end up taking the dually ones apart, or just this one in general, and repainting it, because I don't know if you ever seen it, like the holes are good, but look, it's got sparkle, and in a desert truck you don't want sparkle. So anyway, have our set adapter here. We'll take, and it shows stock, it goes all the way to it without the spacer. Like that, I'd say. This to here. Now, it seems like maybe I went a little bit long on the screws, so I'll have to come out with it anyway. Because these ones are good, the 10 mils here, but I think it's calling for shorter 8 mils here, because look, so I did that. See how them screws right there? So 24-minute video. Not installing that, but you guys will see him on here shortly. I'm going to pause it and fix it. Okay, before I go doing the rest of them, look, the screw that I had in it. The screw that was supposed to go in it. Definitely a size difference, and that'll allow that to come all the way back down. So I'm not gonna, of course, mess this tire up because it went on good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do them one at a time. Makes me glad there's only 5 of these though. That's for sure. But you don't make mistakes, you'll never learn. And easy enough fix when you have access to some power tools. Excuse me. Okay, now that should go. Yeah, see, much better. That's tight. No. Yeah, much more appropriate. Anyway, we are going to put this one on. Goodness, such attention detail. It is on there. Okay. Alright, we all know. Pin. Oh, there she went. But I definitely want to tighten this hex down regardless. So, see if I figure out where I just laid my tool. There it is. Look at these. These are fantastic. Look at that machining done on that. Absolutely amazing. You can see it's got the set screw spot. Keep it on there. Grub screw, set screw. That I don't plan on removing anytime soon, so I am going to use a little Loctite. Now it does not show putting any spacers in there, so I'm not going to put any in there. Just checking the depth, making sure. Because like I said, this is something This is something I don't plan on taking off anytime soon, these hexes. Even when I do change tires, yeah, that's where it's going to be. Then I'm installing the grub screw. Oh, yeah, that cinched it right up there. Now, for the wheel. And of course, they offer you two different kinds of lock nuts. Of course, that one's for the front. And these for the rear. So, I'm sure, just like this. Now, what I think is cool too is these right here. They're cool because they actually go into the end there. Keep all the gunk and crap out. And you notice I use the shorter one. It comes with, see, it comes with the longer ones for if you're running wider tires. There's the long one. Let's see if I can get them side by side. There's for your different tires. So. And last but not least, our wonderful little center cap right here. Yeah. No, that's nice. All right, well, 35 minutes to do technically 2 tires. That made 1 tire, but there we go. I will have already done a run video on testing the motor and stuff like this by the time you all see this. So I hope you're still watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks again to Boom Racing, Hobby Wing, Huvo battery going on right now, and Jason Tang and Cat from Boom Racing. Later, y'all.